Silsila in Arabic means chain. So if you have a chain, that is your silsila. At the beginning of the Sufi way is the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him and his family. Mysticism itself is more ancient than that. It goes all the way back to Adam and Eve. So they were both prophets of God. Adam and Eve were. So in that sense, there is a chain that goes through the entire human race from Adam. And then from each avatar that comes, each prophet that comes with another way starts another chain of transmission. It's a living chain of transmission that happens from master to student. And when that student comes to a state of understanding, to the point where they can now teach others, they're linked in to this chain of transmission as another link. So they get linked in, and then from that link there can be other links. It doesn't have to be just one chain, but it becomes kind of a multitude, you know, like a chain mail, like a armor that you can put on. You know, there's this, but there's a one conduit of energy flowing through this chain of transmission, and it's a living chain of transmission. It's not something that's, you know, picked up in books, or you can read books and things like that, but if you have this transmission, this living transmission, that's the real energy that we're looking at. It goes back to the Kundalini. This is the chi, the energy that is flowing, the light of guidance that is flowing through this chain, and it's a dynamic, interactive thing, not a static set of rules and regulations according to the situation that was happening several hundred years ago or 1,000 years ago. We're actually making something that is relevant now, you know, with this energy can take the wisdom from it, not necessarily the system that it was created for, but the wisdom from that system flows through this chain. So the silsilas the Sufi silsilas are a living chain of transmission that goes all the way back to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and then ultimately all the way back to Adam.